Welcome to my class. Today's topic is self esteem. So, what is self esteem? It is a basic human attitude which enables a person to accept him or her as he or she is without complaints and comparison. Okay? Do you know whose picture is this? He is Naga Naresh from Andhra Pradesh. His father Prasad was a lorry driver and his mother Kumari a housewife. Though they were illiterate, they encouraged him and his elder sister to study. On 11 1993, he met with a lorry accident and later both the legs were amputated up to the hips. But he always believed in God. He always says, I believe that our life is in God's hand. I feel the power of the Almighty plans everything for us. He considered himself as normal as everyone else and all considered him normal. He never allowed anyone to be a prey for self-pity. One of the most important characteristics that shine in Naresh's life is his positive attitude towards himself and life itself. It can be termed as his self-esteem. What are the bases of self-esteem? The basis of self-esteem is the sum total of what an individual receives from his or her parents, family members, teachers, and friends in the form of love, care, and consideration. Areas that block self esteem. Number one is body. Always complains about your own body, its complexion or skin texture, shape of nose, eyes, height, weight, teeth, hair, etc. Number two is mind. Feelings such as nobody wants me, no one loves me, nobody likes me. It may not be true. Still, mind is restless with these thoughts. Emotions. Always unhappy, only complains. Severe hatred in mind. Number four is failures. Always thinking of failures or sad events. Life becomes miserable due to thoughts like, I failed. Such a thing happened to me. He deceived me. No more escape. I did not accept that he will do like that. Such a thing happened to them because of me, etc. Behavior patterns. Speak and act with judgment without knowing a person. Harsh thoughts, teasing, looks down, feeling shy, not appearing in front of others, always preferring back seat. Principles to improve your self esteem. So, number one is be genuine and creative. Life is full of opportunities. Whenever an opportunity knocks at your door, accept it with grace. Number two is give a self affirmation. Make a habit of self evolution. At the close of the day, give positive credit to yourself for the victories and decide to improve further. Number three, relate positive mental imagery. Imagine with emotional thrill that you are performing well in every attempt you take. Practice with confidence. Think of a person who excelled in the task and imitate the person in imagination. Think positively, which will tend to fondle positive outcome. Always think what's the best possible outcome. Accept what your thoughts are major contributors to your emotions. Number four is be truly grateful. With gratitude, count your blessings right now. Write a daily or weekly gratitude list. thanking people who have helped you or brought love into your life. Even though there are some problems now, think they will turn into a blessings in our future. Look for the silver lining. Number 5 is practice healthy self care. Love yourself. Take time for yourself to get ready before performing. Appear pleasant. Take care of your health. Get sufficient sleep. Exercise on a regular basis and include some time for rest and relaxation. Number 6 is practice meditation. Regular practice of meditation will boost your inner energy and calmness. Focusing on our breathing is a good method of concentration, or listen to a pleasant music. Take a walk pondering on some pleasant experience. Meditation enables you to direct your thinking towards the good. I hope this video will help you to understand chapter 3 of moral science, self-esteem. Thank you.